Seen this problem? 6 minus 3 times open parenthesis, 6 minus 3 close parenthesis. Subscribe now for quick math solutions. Let's look at a common mistake first. Many people see the minus sign and jump straight from left to right. They might do 6 minus 3 is 3. Then they see 3 times open parenthesis, 6 minus 3 close parenthesis. They calculate 6 minus 3 is 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9. This leads them to a final incorrect answer of 9. This is wrong because it ignores a key PEMDAS rule. Let's solve it correctly. Step 1. Parentheses. We start inside the parentheses. 6 minus 3 equals 3. The problem is now 6 minus 3 times 3. Step 2. Multiplication. PEMDAS tells us multiplication comes before subtraction. 3 times 3 equals 9. The problem is now 6 minus 9. Step 3. Subtraction. 6 minus 9 equals negative 3. The correct answer is negative 3. Key takeaway. Always perform multiplication before subtraction. A number directly next to a parenthesis means multiplication, and it has priority. If that was helpful, like and subscribe for more. What problem should we solve next? Let us know in the comments.